Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable power on schedule on Xiaomi phone. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. This function allows us to set the schedule for the smartphone device to turn on automatically. But what if you accidentally enable this feature and now you want to turn off this feature but you don't know how? So don't worry, in this video I will show you how to do it. So first of all, of course, we have to open our settings on our phone. You can go to the battery setting, you can scroll down, there is an option battery. You can just tap on that. Tap on additional features on here. On the additional settings section, there is an option schedule power on or off. You can just tap on that. As you can see, my power on time on my phone is active. So if my phone is turned off, it will be automatically turned on at this time. And because we want to turn this off, you can just tap on the toggle on here to turn this feature off. So now you can tap on the up right corner checklist. So now your power on time is inactive. If you want to activate it again, you can just do like this. You can also schedule for your power off time on here. So simple, right? So that is how to disable power on time on Xiaomi phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!